Smart Reviews presents top 5 best LED shop lights that get started with the list. At number 1 is Ustellar Industrial. The Ustellar Industrial, around $105, is a line of portable and versatile auxiliary lamps that come in a size to fit every space, from a compact 30-watt version to a 100-watt unit with a 10,000 lumen output. Each features dependable, IP65 dust and water protection. It also bears 2 brightness settings. Can both tilt and swivel. Have no provisions for mounting. At number 2 is oolead wraparound. For a sharp, polished look, consider the oolead wraparound, about $43, an excellent solution for finished spaces that require good visibility. Once affixed to the ceiling, it's easy to daisy chain multiple units together to extend your coverage. It shows no startup delay even when cold. And backed by a 5-year warranty. It is also not dimmable. At number 3 comes Sunco Lighting Linkable. Even when you're stuck inside on the job, the Sunco Lighting Linkable, about $130, will help transform the environment within your shop to resemble a bright day. It features a 10-inch pull chain for switching it on and off, and is backed by a 7-year warranty. It have glare-reducing frosted lens. Available in packs of 4 and 6. While metal housing is quite thin. At number 4 comes Neeko Cordless 40464A. Able to hang just about anywhere from its 360-degree swiveling hook, the Neeko Cordless 40464A, around $30, offers an effective way to drive out shadows, when you're elbow-deep in an engine bay, or struggling to see in a tight space. It has an easy-to-grip rubber handle. Its battery lasts for 5 hours. It's brighter than expected for its size. And can stand or adhere magnetically. At number 5 comes Prime Lights T8. Darkness is no match for the Prime Lights T8, around $107, a model that's suitable for cavernous rooms with up to 40-foot ceilings. It's probably overkill for a small studio or basement workshop, but for industrial use, it offers incredible value and longevity. It is compatible with 3-phase voltages. Made in the United States. With mirrored aluminum reflector.